What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda B back with another video, and in today's video I decided to do a simple DIY project to kick off the holidays with. I've done a DIY on how I made my table a look for the fall. Since y'all know Christmas is approaching, I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased some items to basically upgrade from fall to Christmas. So today you all gonna see me switch out my flowers, set up a new arrangement on the table, and again, everything that I'm using so far I purchased from Dollar Tree. And I don't know if I'm going to keep it that way. I may end up going into Walmart, Hobby Lobby, or whatever and see some new items I want to add to the table, as well as add to more areas in my house, but that would be a whole nother video. But for now, we're going to stick with the table for today. So for those who have already started decorating for the fall, comment down below exactly what have you done to your home to basically spruce it up for the Christmas festivities. I want to put up my Christmas tree, but sadly I work this weekend, so I'm going to have to actually wait until Thanksgiving weekend, which is next weekend, to put up my Christmas tree after I put up my new flat screen TV, because your girl is going Black Friday shopping.
My little baby, change your price tag. That's a upgrade on the watch that. Yeah, I'm on work if you want.
Alright y'all, so for the fall I had orange colors in here, orange, green, brown, burgundy in here. And from Dollar Tree I purchased this. I hate the smell of apple, I hate the smell of cinnamon, but hopefully this won't be too strong of a smell. Yeah, so I'm just going to pour this out and just pour this one in there. Cute candle setup, I'm just going to replace my white tea candles with red. This cute idea from off of Pinterest. I'm actually going to do more of these, but it's going to be filled with ornaments of the colors of my choosing. So I've got just a clear, simple vase. You can either fill this up, you can either stay with the Christmas theme and fill it up with red candies. Like I chose the strawberry filled candies. You can use peppermints, whatever, it's up to you. But yeah, I got this off of Pinterest, so this is this. And try to find the ribbons with the top part in the back. Y'all see the top part? And you can just tie it around there, and damn, this shit don't fit.
That's cute.
Well, fit a little bit. Hopefully nobody don't mess with this. And you just twist it on the back. Twist it tight so it will stay, and voila, y'all have a cute table decoration of candy. And I have kids, so I'm not sure how long this is going to stay looking cute, but y'all get the idea. Alright, so now we're on to the flower arrangement. So y'all remember how I did this. I didn't like it at first, but I stuck with it. So for those who have been following me on Instagram, y'all know my Christmas tree idea that I came up with is it's going to be a sunflower Christmas tree. So yeah, your girl is going to be using these sunflowers for the tree, but I'm going to change out this, spruce it up with this. Alright, y'all, so y'all see well, I've been struggling a little bit, but y'all get the concept. Y'all remember how I felt when I did the sunflowers before, and I was like, but I actually like this one. It has the cute, I'm not sure what these are called, but anyway, y'all picked up everything from Dollar Tree. So just stuff it in there, just spread it out as y'all put it in there, stuff it in there. Y'all can organize it however y'all decide to do so. I added a little gold in there just for a little effect. Otherwise than that, yeah, this is very cute. So y'all, I want to add this other bow to this. I want to extend it around there so it can have like a cute, you know, Christmassy effect. So I have trash can ties, trash bag ties that I'm just going to tie on the end of these two just to extend it longer so it can reach towards the bag. Voila. What a simple home DIY project could turn into something so pretty. On a budget at that. I've purchased these lights from Dollar Tree. These are the mini clear lights. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to put it around the table, but I'm going to set the ring light up so y'all can see me basically move everything from here onto the table. So we'll see how it goes. And my daughter picked out this globe. I'm just gonna add this on the table. This globe is very cute. So this is gonna just be an extra piece added to the table. And I haven't shown y'all, I've also got these cute little, I don't know what this is, but I thought these were cute because it had the cotton ball on it. I brought these from Dollar Tree as well, so I'm going to add these to the table. So y'all, I came up with an alternative for the lights. I'm just gonna wrap them around the rim of the table, so y'all will see the finished look once I get finished. But I like this look better. Let me show y'all how it look. All right, y'all. So I showed you all the finished look. Give me a thumbs up. A for effort. I don't think I'm completely satisfied with the table yet, but I just went ahead and put the items that I've already purchased on there. So that's how it's going to look for now. But yeah, just make sure you all comment down below on what items you added to your home to prep you for the holidays. And if you want to give me a pointer or two on what items to add to my table to spruce it up a little bit as well, comment that information down below. Otherwise than that, Ronda B out.